Alright, I just want to show people that circumstances do not make people to live in poverty and bad situations. This is Swakopmund, DRC. It's an informal settlement which some people would call the lower class or the lower paying class, who can't really afford homes, but they make their own homes. Look how neat and clean this place is. Everywhere you look, everybody has made their home neat, everybody has made their home clean, very neatly. They're making the best of the materials that they have got. But do you notice how clean the place is? Everybody in the community works together to make sure that this place stays hygienic and clean. Here's some people building some structures, but I'm going to go past. This is an informal settlement in Swakopmund, and you can see these people live a neat, clean life. They're not living in dirt. They are keeping it clean as a community. And it's unbelievable to see. I've been to a lot of informal settlements, even in Windhoek, the capital city of Namibia, and I've never seen such a clean, neat, orderly place. And even the streets are clean. Little bit of papers here and there. This is incredible. I must commend the people of the coast for how they are living. Look at this. I've never seen this at an informal settlement, how neat and clean despite their circumstances. And that just proves is if a community stands together, then they are able to keep a community clean. This is unbelievable. I've never experienced this, and I've traveled a lot of places. You will never find an informal settlement like this in South Africa. I dare anybody to prove it to me. Well done, Namibia. Well done, Namibians, for working together to make sure that our country is neat and clean. It's unbelievable.